guys, my name is Kashika. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll be talking about one of my favorite skincare beauty brand. I won't even say talking, we'll be like celebrating this brand's birthday. So the brand name is Plum Goodness. I'm sure you must have heard from me as well. I love their green tea range. I've talked about it a lot of times here and on my Instagram page as well. So Plum is celebrating their birthday in this month September, and from 18th September to 21st September you'll see some amazing offer, deals and discount on their official website. They'll be offering up to 40% off on their skincare, hair care, a lot of range. Plus they'll be giving some free goodies as well. So in today's video I'll share everything, mini reviews of my favorite from the Plum range, plus those free goodies as well that you can grab up to a certain cart value limit. So without any further ado, let's get started. I hope you have hit the subscribe button, you are a part of my family. Let's go. So just in case you don't know what is Plum, Plum is India's first 100% vegan and PETA certified beauty brand. They have different hair care, skincare products according to different needs and demand. For example, I have oily and acne prone skin, so they have a dedicated green tea range for it, and so as they have different ranges for different needs and demand. So starting with one of my favorite products from their whole range, this is the Plum Goodness Renewed Clarity Night Gel. I've talked about this in my acne skincare video as well. This is one of the best nighttime treatment for your skin, specifically if you have acne prone and oily skin. So usually we apply aloe vera gel, plain aloe vera gel as a sleeping mask, but sometimes it's not enough. We need goodness of other products as well. So the best thing about this particular mask is it has slight chemical exfoliants as well, which is very good for acne prone skin. So it kind of heals those acne and marks as well. Really nice as a nighttime thin layer of sleeping mask. Moving on to face masks, I have the Plum Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter face mask. So it's like a clay based face mask. It has Calvin clay in it, which is amazing to absorb excess oil and sebum on your skin. This is safe for normal, dry and combination skin, so even dry skin people can apply this. This is a really nice soothing treatment on your skin, because I have seen that it has nice soothing effect on skin. So just in case if you have irritated red kind of skin, you can definitely apply this, and you can apply this before going to any special occasion as well, because the Calvin clay really sucks all the oil from your skin and gives you a nice glow, and the chamomile and white tea properties is really soothing on skin. Moving on to hair care, I have their best hair mask. This is the Plum Olive and Macadamia Mega Moisturizing Hair Mask. It is specifically made for chemically treated hair, so if you have done any kind of chemical treatment like smoothing, keratin or hair coloring, you can safely apply this on your hair. One of the best thing is the ingredient. It has olive oil, macadamia, really good for hair nourishment. You can apply this on your scalp as well, because it's free from all those harsh chemicals like sulfates, paraben, phthalates and all, so you can safely apply it on your scalp as well. Also it has shea butter, which has really nice smoothing and kind of nourishing properties. So if you have really frizzy kind of hair, you want to just tone it little, you can apply this after a shampoo. 15-20 minutes you can leave it on your hair and then just wash it off. You can definitely see a nice smoothing effect on your hair, and considering the fact that it will be on huge discount, it's like a worth buying product. Moving on to makeup, I have the Plum Nature Studio Kohl Pencil, and this was the first product that actually introduced me to this particular brand. And I still remember during my college days, finally especially when I bought this, I only applied this because how convenient it is. So it's not like a kajal pencil, it's like a 2-in-1 kohl cum liner formula, and it's actually smudge proof, as they claim, waterproof. You just stretch your eyes, apply a nice line, and that's it. You are good to go. It's so convenient to use, because in the morning when we have a lecture in the morning, we don't have so much of time, so it's very hassle free. Plus it comes with their own sharpener as well, so very convenient to use. Now coming to the best thing, the offer. So if you purchase for 1300 rupees during the sale, you can grab this for free, and the price is 495 rupees. And trust me, on this particular offer, it's 100% grab it from my side. I saved the best for the last, and I have the Green Tea Travel Kit Edition. So if you don't know about green tea range, this is specifically made for oily, acne prone skin. I absolutely love the 2-3 products especially, but if you are trying it for the first time, I would advise you to go for this particular kit. And one of the best offer is, if you shop for rupees 2000 during this sale, you can get this kit for free. So basically it's like a 5-step kind of treatment. Number 1, we have the pore cleansing face wash, which is a gel based face wash. Then we have the toner, and how cute is that tiny toner. So this toner is alcohol free, plus it has mild chemical exfoliants as well. Then step 3 is moisturizer for the daytime. Then step 4 is moisturizer for the night time. So the night one is basically the Renewed Clarity Night Gel only, so you can give it a try in this travel kit edition. And the last step is masking. This is a green tea based face mask, specially made for oily, acne prone skin. Now on the sale offer, it's definitely up for grab. If you're searching for a nice gifting item for your friend who has oily acne prone skin. Definitely it's a really nice cute gifting item. I also love the green tea spot gel in this particular range. It's not in this kit, but I love that spot gel. These are all the products that I got from Plum. I'll link it in the description box below, but you can explore more during the sale time. It's like the best time to grab it, and you'll get a free goodie on each of your order. If you buy anything, you'll get a free goodie from their side, so it's like the best time to grab any kind of product that you want. I'll link all the products in the description box below that I mentioned right here. Do check the description box. Follow me on Instagram for more updates, and that is it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. Give it a subscribe. Do share it with your friends. You can club those offers with your friends as well. Shop more, save more. That is it. Bye bye.